Yeah, we are live, Bala. Good morning.
Morning,
Uh,
Raj.
so
Morning.
yeah,
We have come a full circle.
yeah,
In the sense, halfway through, 360 degrees we have come,
yeah,
and which
yeah,
is just the right cue for you to go on the 360 player, De Villiers, who was
yeah.
absolutely the star of last night.
Before that, I should say that this is another innings defeat. So we are getting slightly boring. We started off IPL saying these matches would be close and blah blah blah, and now suddenly you find that everything is one-sided, man. So a bit of
Yeah,
a
it was
challenge.
one-sided. It was certainly
Yeah, but
one-sided,
then good
but
thing
I
is,
was blown away by the sheer
yeah, yeah,
genius
yeah.
of
The good
De
thing is,
Villiers.
see, when you have somebody like AB de Villiers come in. So yesterday I was looking at when I was watching the match. Uh, I mean, I was very funny because AB de Villiers we all know as 360, Mr. 360, cricket 360, all of that. 360, 360 is the thing which comes to mind. Yesterday, KKR bowlers they ensured that we didn't catch the 360 man. We have hardly caught 45 degrees. I mean, he was basically hitting from mid off to mid wicket.
Mid-wicket.
That was it.
But see, that's the greatness of a batsman like De Villiers. He can see. We talked of unforced errors in tennis the previous day.
Yeah.
This was also the kind of errors that you make the bowlers make because he can get onto it because he moves around so much. He makes angles. See, we generally describe De Villiers batting as going berserk. That is inadequacy of our own imagination and our own language ability. See, it is much more than going berserk. It is genius. I mean, there is a method. I mean, then again, a lazy word, method to his madness. It is all, see, in a sense, it's also, he uses the grammar of the, see, at the end of the day, it is still beautiful cricket because when the ball leaves the bat, it's of pure timing. It's not
Yeah.
propelled by power.
That also, there is another thing. See, AB de Villiers, I think, used to play other games. I think he used to play tennis, he used to play
Tennis,
hockey
hockey,
and
he
all. Yeah,
was, yeah,
hockey and
yeah.
all. So
See, he's,
what you notice is that see, he's able to create angles just the same way like
exactly.
a tennis player creates angles from the baseline or from the net.
See, it is
So
just that he's a Federer of different because Federer is not to create different geometry on the tennis court.
yeah,
That is what De Villiers does with his own grammar, with his own. This is a different kind of a poetry in a sense.
yeah, true,
And
agreed.
see, he took out everything. Took out the conditions, the pitch, because everyone was struggling. But De Villiers was almost batting as if he was doing it in his own backyard.
Yeah.
He took over because the pitch was certainly slow.
Yeah, so the point is, see, again, like I say, no, see, I mean, this is where, I mean, I have a, like I was saying before also, pitch, ground conditions, I mean, they are what they are. You need to overcome them. You can't say this is slow. In Hindi, there is a very, very popular
Saying.
saying, which I remember from my school days. It says, Nach na jane angan teda. You can't blame the external conditions. So, which is where, I mean, I was actually,
That is something similar in Tamil. ஆட
yeah,
தெரியாதவனுக்கு மேட கோணம் நானும்.
same thing, exactly the same thing. So, I mean, so I was saying, I was just thinking, see, you look at the game yesterday, in my mind at least, KKR was trying to follow the RCB template while batting.
Trying
They
to
will go a
get
little
towards
deep.
the end.
Yeah, I mean, ABD, like we said, is a goat of 360. We'll leave it there. We'll come back to him later. So for me, KKR was trying to do an RCB in their batting. How? Suddenly the power play is no more important. Suddenly the strike rates are no more important. We know what we are talking about, who we are talking about. Suddenly Yorkers are not important, right? And of course, catches and fielding, I mean, I think the less said, the better. Every match, there are at least one or two donkey drops. Yeah, donkey drops that goes through the donkey's hands. So
no.
So so what is really happening? See, if you think of somebody like a Brendan McCullum, why would he even say power play is not important? Why would he actually sort of have? See, I'll tell you the sequence of scores. I actually looked at the sequence of scores of both teams in the power play. KKR is 7-3, 4-7, 16-3, 6 overs. Yeah.
Yeah.
RCB,
Raj,
just one second,
go
I'll
ahead.
just complete. RCB 8-11, 8-10, 3-6. 3-6 was last 2 overs where actually this guy came in and Russell and
Cummins.
Cummins actually they bowled hard lengths. So they pulled it back. Otherwise, you see 8-11, 8-10. It's what? How many runs? The 20, 36, 30, around 36 runs in 4 overs. So I think that is where the scenario is. Here they
Match
made
was won and lost there.
7-3, 4-7. That is where they lost. I
But
mean, I'm
Raj,
not blaming anybody. I don't think Gill or whoever came in Banton. I mean,
Anton,
yeah, forget about all of those things.
he
My
had a
point
very
is,
ordinary debut.
yeah, where is the intent? And again, see, look at the captains, what they're doing. Banton, first match, you make him open. 2 days back,
Tripathi.
Rajasthan Royals,
They made Stokes open, but
made Stokes
at
open.
least in the case they were eventually managed to win. That's
Yeah,
a different story.
again,
But
my point
that's a
is the intent. Intent.
intent.
See, there'll
But
be a win
Raj,
or
I
loss.
wouldn't be. I mean, then again, just to have a different opinion in this, not just to different, because my reading was, in spite of KKR trying, the pitch was really. See, commentators have been saying that the pitches are going to get slow, and this is what Kohli also said right at the start. He's batting first because the ball is going to come slowly towards the latter part of the innings, and
Agreed.
that's one of the things that played on K. So it was combination. They tried,
See,
but
let me
one
ask you a
thing.
logical question, Bala. Here, pitch will go slow. When is the time for the batsman to uh, take the pitch out of the equation in their innings? The first six
Power
overs.
play and then the back end.
First
Two
6
players.
overs and the back end. You miss the first 6 overs. So this is my point. So somewhere I think they were just thinking, okay,
See, the
RCB
problem
does
for
it.
KKR yesterday was Gill, despite being a good batsman, is not, at least in this tournament, he has not had the flamboyant start. He has been good, fast now, but it's a one-day kind of innings he has been playing, but not
Yeah.
the flamboyant innings that needs. I mean, that you need at the top to chase 190 plus. And Banton, of course, was making his debut. I think they should have persisted with Rahul
Yeah,
Tripathi because
definitely I
he
agree.
won them a match against CSK. So
See,
though he failed,
I'm
he
not
just
going by
had
that.
one failure at the top of the inning. So they could have persisted with him.
No, I'm not even going by that. I agree that Rahul Tripathi should have opened. I'm not going by that for the simple reason. You see how Aaron Finch sort of started to see. We have been criticizing Aaron Finch for quite some time. So we need to bring him in, which is why I said, let us get the GOAT B. There are others.
Yeah,
So this guy, what was he doing? I mean, even against fast bowlers, he was taking 2-3. He was doing a Matthew Hayden, right?
yeah.
Right from the first ball. No, and Devdutt Padikkal also was guilty, although he still did. He just still came forward and sort of played the ball. I mean, he walked forward. What was happening to Gill? What was happening to Nitish Rana? What was happening to these guys who were supposed to be so great players of spin? Somewhere they are rooted to the crease.
To be fair, I mean, your point is accepted, but you must also give credit to the two amazing spin bowlers.
I will give credit, but I will tell you one thing about Washington Sundar. See, Washington Sundar is a bowler who bowls in rhythm. As of now, he's a one-trick pony. He is doing exactly the same thing over and over again. He is bowling that, like we used to call Madan Lal a Chavanni bowler. So you put a 25% coin, he hits the deck, and he says that. Yesterday, he actually post-match, he said that. Now, unless you move forward.
But since something is working for him.
I mean, hang on. That's what I'm saying. No, it's working for him because the batsmen are allowing it to work for him.
Yeah, but if he will also go back to the drawing board and try and
that is the point.
see, but there is a marked improvement in Washington Sundar that we saw him the previous edition and this edition.
I'm not bothering. See, Bala, again, you're missing the point. See, this is a game between two individuals, right? One individual is doing fantastically well. Now, what is the other individual's job? Say, okay, Baba, you are doing well. No, let me go and sit at home here. No. I won't want to play. No.
But there will be one victor, no.
No, so you see how many stumping has happened in this IPL? Hardly any.
Not many.
I can't remember any, actually. Hardly any.
Yeah, neither
so my point is, when the spinner is bowling, stumping is a fantastic way of dismissing. So why are people not leaving their crease? To me, that is a key point. I mean, there is something wrong.
That's a point, but it might also reflect on the fact that there is no flight. They are bowling flat.
Doesn't matter. Even if you're bowling flat, you can still see now whether you are 120 at the end of the innings or 110 or 115 or 195 doesn't matter. You have not tried at all.
There might be a case for stumpings not happening for various reasons.
To me, it's only one reason. You are not going after the
I can't put it down to one basket.
No,
I am not saying there is no case for you, but all I'm saying is there are multiple points.
What else is the case? They have not.
See, batsmen, they can step out and manage to reach out. They know. So I don't have the stats. Neither
I'm telling you.
We are just going by anecdotal from what we remember. Let's get the stats.
I did the stats. I have done it, Bala. The point is, only 2 innings you have actually had where the batsmen consistently move forward, and unfortunately, both of them belong to one guy called Sanju Samson.
Sanju Samson.
I did that. I put a little bit of effort. I found that I didn't do global batsmen, foreign batsmen. Indian batsmen, Virat Kohli has done that, by the way. Virat Kohli moves forward.
Manish Pandey did that, man.
Rohit Sharma moved forward. Manish Pandey did it only in the last match. I again did a count. He did it on 3 occasions.
No,
there
four.
were many.
I checked it. After you told me last night, I went and checked it. 4.
Yeah, 3 or 4, whatever. I mean, I saw 3. Or no, I think 4. I only said 4 after that. If you remember, I said 4.
It's okay. Yeah.
So, I mean, it is again, there were 2 again. I counted 2 against Tewatia and 1 against the other guy. I'm forgetting who's the bowler in RR, the spinner.
Shreyas Gopal?
Shreyas Gopal. There was 1 more, in fact. That is all. Manish Pandey is known to come forward. Somewhere I'm sensing this. I don't know what it is. You watch. I mean, this is for us to watch in other matches also. Just keep that in mind and watch the other matches. Like yesterday.
But we'll go back to Washington Sundar and his lens. He was immaculate.
I'm telling you, Bala, he is immaculate. I'll still wait for the day when he faces somebody who's who's charging at him. We'll need to wait for that. He has done a great job, no doubt about it. Because
let's talk about it, man. Let's wait for the.
I will still find a way saying, because I watch cricket because I want to see how players are adapting. As of today, he has not adapted. He didn't have to. He has not had to adapt.
I don't agree with that.
I'm telling you. See, I mean, he has not.
He will obviously have a bad game or 2.
No, it's not about bad game. It's not about bad game. See, even last year, that's what happened. He was bowling similarly. It's like Jadeja. Jadeja had the same way of bowling. He is not changed, so people have figured him out. Sundar he's only 20, 21 years old, so he needs.
But there is a marked improvement. But see, his confidence. He has developed confidence in himself. That's what I also tweeted during the match last night. And the captain has also had confidence.
Not initially. 2 matches,
exactly. Now Kohli has won the play. So exactly, because of his length, that is because he has exuded confidence. Washington is now more authoritative in his bowling, and he's very confident about himself. There is a certain amount of calmness about him.
I'm not disputing that at all. What I'm saying
that's simple.
I'm not disputing that. See, it is like Chahal. See, look at Chahal. Washington Sundar again, he is bowled. See, yesterday that was another mistake probably KKR made. They assumed that Sundar would come on early. Right, they were preparing for that. He didn't come. So they bowled 2 overs of Navdeep Saini.
I really can't say what was in KK's mind.
Yeah, we couldn't figure out. This is all imagination. But I for one thought that Sundar would bowl early, and there would be a case where he bowls early. He didn't come. So that was probably very sharp.
But overall, see, let's slightly move. KK, I mean, RCB's bowling attack is amazing right now. They stumbled. Initially they started with Umesh Yadav and Dale Steyn. Now they have moved to a totally new kind of a bowling attack, which is very comfortable for them. Even, I mean, generally the commentators are saying the pitches are going to get slow, so they can even move off Siraj and have one more spinner. Like say they have Negi and what is that called? They have one more spinner.
Adam Zampa is there, no?
No, Adam Zampa is there, but I'm not even talking about Adam Zampa, the Indian bowler, man. Nadeem Khan. Nadeem Khan. Nadeem Khan is there, and say they can bring in one of them, even if they don't. And yesterday, as you would have seen, they didn't have to go to Shivam Dube even for a single over.
Shahbaz Ahmed, actually, not.
Nadeem Khan. No, Shahbaz Ahmed. Yeah. So Shahbaz and Negi. So they still can go, even if the pitches get slow, they can take out Siraj, because Morris and Udana, foreign players and fast bowlers, and you have Saini. So that part is taken care of, and Chahal and Washington Sundar, they can still have one more spinner, and they still have Shivam Dube, whom they did not need to use yesterday, both in terms of batting as well as bowling. So that's how comfortable they are placed now. And so we need.
I'll tell you two things.
So I think they are kind of now cinched for the playoffs.
RCB, they did 2 things. One, which I was always talking about, which was bringing Chris Morris.
Yeah.
And the second was ABD decided to keep wickets. That is what changed for them.
Yeah.
So these 2 things happened, and the entire thing changed. So to me, that is, I think they obviously, I agree that they are. I mean, as of today, they are looking at a playoffs very easily. I think. See, currently that's what we have.
The top 3 teams.
Top 3 are exactly the same position. They are all good at 10 points.
10 points
RCB
each
still have a very low net run rate, which they
Right.
improved considerably yesterday.
last night.
So,
But we need to talk about Kohli's batting also, because he was not timing at all. He was not fluent at all. He had the humility and the game awareness to play it to.
he said that. Yeah,
He
he
said
said
that.
that
He said
yesterday.
that.
He said
But
that
even
yesterday.
during the innings, we were talking about it.
Yeah.
Said,
I mean,
because
see,
the kind of strike that he gave to De Villiers was
see,
amazing.
there are 2-3 things again there, Bala. One is, I mean, it's very rare that you have a situation where after an innings is over of RCB, 4 batsmen play. Virat Kohli has the lowest strike rate, and
Exactly.
that also he made up by taking twos. So one stat I have is RCB actually had 17 twos in their innings, and KKR had just 4.
Yeah.
So it's not as if KKR everybody was old, right?
Yeah.
They were not a
Kohli just had
CSK, right?
one boundary, which was even slightly
and in
streaky.
the streaky in the end.
But the way he gave the strike to De Villiers, and that also kind of addressed the problem that you always talk of. If one player is going slam bang, the other player also tends
That's
to
all.
emulate
No,
that. He didn't do that.
no ego. It's very
Exactly.
simple.
That is the certain amount
Yeah.
of humility. When I say humility, it is just professionalism.
Yes. I mean, you just don't
Game
want
awareness.
you just don't want to do what the other person is doing. Don't
Because you
emulate
read the
person.
situation. You read the
Hey,
situation.
not just that. See, it's not reading the situation. It is when
Because you
want
see somebody is doing so well,
this
you
is-
just give it, hand it over it.
See, this is like if Virendra Sehwag is batting at the other end. I'm sure even Tendulkar would say, "Man, you go ahead. I'm standing here quietly." Chalo yaar,
Tendulkar can afford to do it because he can be so sure of himself because he is Tendulkar, man.
No,
But
I'm
not
saying
others.
even others, whoever it is. My point is that when you have a situation where there is somebody who has his day, I mean, let him go, man. I mean, anyways, you are getting to what you want, right? At the end of the day, we are talking about this thing.
But KKR have a problem because Sunil Narayan, since I don't know about his bowling action and stuff like that, the other guy whom they talk of as replacement, that Green, he also had a problem with his bowling action. He was once called for that, but that's a different story. But they missed Sunil Narayan, the bowler, actually, not the batsman.
Yesterday, yeah,
Yesterday
they missed
because
the bowler.
he had two good games as a bowler.
Not only that, I think KKR's entire thing, I think we'll leave it there. KKR's entire strategy,
We are also running.
I didn't figure out the strategy because they had 5 bowlers suddenly. Out of 5 bowlers, they only had 1 spinner. If the pitch is slowing, why would you take 4 fast bowlers, man? Did you see
that was a selectoral cafe?
Yeah, no. My point is that it is the entire system. I don't think they were very clear about what they wanted to do. On the one hand, you are saying it is slow.
They just put 11 people on the park and expected them to
something
do the job.
to happen. Yeah, something to happen. So I think that is where the situation is. So today's match,
SRH versus CSK.
We have a situation where like somebody said, I think Gaurav Kapoor said that I mean, one never thought that one would be saying this. No, this is a must-win for CSK, right? Almost.
Exactly. See, I don't expect any great things from CSK, but just that since the pitches are slowing down, it's kind of CSK is more suited for a pitch of that sort. But still, I'm not sure that that is going to enable that will enable them to win. But still, because these are the pitches they are quite used to in their.
I want to take the pitches slowing down thing completely out of the equation because like I said, I mean, pitches don't slow down. It is a question of you adjusting to pitches are what.
Yeah, you have to adjust.
As simple as you need to adjust there.
That is, I mean, that is a no-brainer, man. They have to.
So today, if they don't adjust, they are then left with 6 matches.
Because SRH, they are smarting under a close defeat the other day.
Yeah.
So they'll be because they are certainly the better team.
See, look at it this way. See, now CSK has 4 points. I mean, let us look at the mathematics side of it. CSK has 4 points. They need at least 16 to go through. So they need 12 points, which means 6 wins out of 7 games. As simple as that. I don't see the CSK making it. So let us see what happens.
That's pretty dire, but that is very factual.
Yeah, SRH. Yeah, like you said, they are smarting from a bad loss. So. And SRH also has a problem because I think they still need to look at their bowling lineup because Sandeep Sharma is one guy. I mean, on his day, he looks very good. But then he is
the
one
loss
guy
of Bowie has affected them more than
big challenge. So I think we'll leave it there and then we'll see what happens. So I think one final thing I'll say before we go, I think Microsoft, if you are looking for a brand ambassador for Office 365, you know whom to approach. We have a 365, so you can call it Microsoft ABD and it will work well for you. My suggestion, because I have been having huge problems with Microsoft Teams.
So that is because De Villiers is 360 plus 5.
Yeah. So So what happened was with my Microsoft, I mean, whatever problems I had, the solution came from Office 365, which is why I remembered this. So 360
Okay.
ABD plus 5 can be the case.
Yeah.
I'm sure ABD won't mind calling being
Yeah,
called
because
365.
ability is 360 and is quite a handful, which is why.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, then Bala, thanks a lot. I think
I
we'll
should
we'll
say.
we'll close the show today, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, I
Stay
look
safe.
forward to sparring with you on a lot of things because it was getting boring.
Yeah. That, I mean, that was a
Agreeing.
predetermined thing. We need to spar. Otherwise, what is the fun here? Everybody will say, these two fellows say the same thing, man. Let's go. Big deal.
Good.
Okay, good. Have a good day and stay safe. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye bye.